So the value is not money. This one should understand. What is the value of the thing? You want to give to something to others, then the feelings you have in your heart is the value, and that value is the real Lakshmi. When you are, say, building a house, the plans you make, things you do, what is the idea behind and what you are trying to express through that house is the value of that house. Once you understand that you have to buy with this Lakshmi, or you have to use this Lakshmi for certain value and not for showing off or for money. This superficialness that we have about money itself is like an ordinary glass. But if you put behind the glass the mercury, you can see the value. So, when you start buying something, what is the purpose? Why are you buying? This will determine the value. Like last time I came to Portugal, I said, AC, we'll go and buy some terracotta, but they're very expensive. I said, this is the price. But I wanted to buy terracotta from Portugal because it's very rich in that. So we went to one factory. And the factory was quite far out. None of them could find out, but I told them it's here only, just go and see. And then we bought the terracotta. But on our way, I told, stop here, stop. So they stopped. There was a shop. I had to buy some things for Sahajogis in India and also for some people in Kabela. And that shop had such beautiful cottons. They were Sahajogis from here who saw that. Such beautiful clothes. I bought a lot of it. I said, thank God, the problem presents are finished now for India. So joy-giving it was. Everybody was surprised. Why suddenly in a place where never had been mother there, suddenly she finds it. It has a value because I wanted to buy something for Indians to be given as present. So if your Lakshmi is, say, this much, once you add to it value, it becomes so. The sign of a person who is Lakshmipati is this. He should have a house like the lotus in the hands of the goddess. He should protect people who are depending on him, and from the left hand he should give. This is the image of the Lakshmi. This is what the Lakshmi is within you. If you have these four things in balance, without conditioning, without ego, then you are a Sahajogi. Otherwise, you are not. On a Diwali day, we have to promise ourselves that whatever we are going to get now as Lakshmi principle or as a Lakshmi's prasad should be used in getting things which has value. And thus you will learn that you have used your Lakshmi very well. And with that, your Mahalakshmi principle will become very strong. Will become very strong, by which you will ascend very fast.